promise to love you unconditionally through the thick and thin, and in sickness and in health. I promise to make you smile and laugh every day. I promise to do everything in my power to make all of your dreams come true. I promise that as we adventure through the rest of our lives together, I'll always be by your side, pushing you and celebrating you. I'll always put you first and give you my absolute best for the rest of my life. I'll love you forever and ever.
Your love is pure and it's unconditional. It's the kind of love I didn't know I needed, but I am so thankful for. With you, there's no fear, no anxiety. You're my breath of fresh air and my solid ground. Loving you is natural. You feel like peace, you feel like home. So today, I vow to continue creating a home with no loud anger, no slamming doors, and no holes punched into the walls. Our home will be gentle and it will be warm.
And dances on the plains, and every word that I could find in the corners of my mind will never be enough to let you know. This love is the best thing I have found, like a guardian bursting through the ground. Every hope brought to life. Every day I realize this love is the best thing I have found. You're the best thing I have found. Best thing, the best thing, the best thing I've found. The best thing, you're the best thing, you're the best thing I have found.
But the sad truth about today is that your dad's not physically here with us. I promise to tell our children of Grandpa Joe and to point out all of the beautiful qualities you'll all share.
This ring symbolizes my love for you and the commitments we made today. From this day forward, you shall not walk alone. My heart will be your shelter, and my arms will be your home. Kylie, as you place this ring on Andrew's finger, repeat after me. This ring symbolizes my love for you and the commitments we made today. From this day forward, you shall not walk alone. My heart will be your shelter, and my arms will be your home.
Andrew went above and beyond than just saying he was a Twins fan to win me over. The next day, he took Kylie and I out for breakfast. And you know, the way to a woman's heart is to her stomach. And either I really scared him with the Twins question, or he was just being his true gentleman self, but he ended up paying for all of our food because we were just broke college students. From that point on, I could truly see my best friend marrying this man. I knew that Kylie deserved someone who would drive hours to see her and bring a bouquet of flowers every single time.
We've always had each other's backs, and we've always supported each other through everything. The one thing I hope in life is to be as strong of a man as you are. To be able to stay strong through all the tough times and continue to love and care for others has truly made me realize how special you are. Your dad would be extremely proud of the man you become.